Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we're offering here for sale is a 76, 77 KZ900A seat. Now, if you look at it real close, this is correct for 76 because there's no seat catch. So this would be a nice seat for the everyday rider or truly authentic unrestored bike. The foam is nice. We still have the decal here from the factory. Now, it doesn't have the hinges. I'm guessing this was a takeoff seat at new. It needs cleaned up. It's got some residue on it from sitting for a while. Got a little bit of paint coming off the pan here. This area, the decal's nice. This is the perfect seat for the unrestored, beautiful rider. Beautiful rider. Everything is nice. So thanks for looking at our stuff, and this will fit 76 to 77. It'll actually go on all of them. This will work up to like 1980 LTD, or 19, well, we'll work on 80 LTD, but it'll work on 77, 78, KZ1000A. However, I'm not sure what the catch is on all those. You have to see the seat catch. Could be a different position or something, but this is the correct seat for your 76. Thanks.